Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to my vlog. What's up, Kiran?
Hey, what's up, people?
Today we are going to try to put bar handle mirror to my Royal Enfield Interceptor. So I tried buying a Royal Enfield Interceptor bar handle mirrors, but that was like 4,500, 4,500. I wanted some cheap alternative, and this is what I'd gone for, a cheap alternative. This was like 400, 350 to 400, but it is like very cheap quality. It looks good at in the beginning, but then later on you see that it starts wobbling. So I thought of an alternative. There is another bike company called Jawa, so I got from Jawa. The spare parts was only around 799, around 800 rupees, and the build quality is just awesome. This is how it looks. So there are other facilities also in this, that you can tilt left and right, and then front also. So let's install this and see. The only problem with this is that they have this particular section, this black section. This will not go inside the Interceptor, so we might have to cut this down and then put it inside and put on the handles. So let's try to cut this. I've already done to one handlebar I have done already, so I've cut the section there. So this one I'll just show you how I fix it in this handle. So let's go. So I have to cut this part so that it fits exactly in the Interceptor. So we'll dismantle the complete mirror first, so that there won't be any kind of scratches. So all we need is this. So this is the section I'm cutting it right now. So let's go. So since I'll be grinding this part, cutting this part, so there will be a lot of scratches, so I'll apply tape so that there won't be any scratches here. So this is it. Let's go. I'm using an angle grinder, so this will be more useful. If you have a access blade or something, that will do. So let's start with this. We take angle the bust. Cutting this part, and so we need to it has these rough edges. We need to smoothen it a little bit. Done with this part. Hope you liked it. So let's start installing this on the bike. Come. Hit me on the face. So it's really hot. I need to dip in the water, and then I should start my process. So let's go. Alright, we are done with this. Let's install it on the bike. Allen key to remove the handlebars. So I'll not be using the Java screws that they have given, because it doesn't fit. The threading has a different measurement, I guess. So I'll be using the Enfield screws. we're done with the installation of Jawa's mirrors, handlebar mirrors on the Interceptor. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Also, I have other equipments to install on my bike for the next video. For example, I have this tank pads. I've recently ordered a leather tank pads for my bike. So this comes here. So I'll be installing this, and I've ordered the seat also of the same color. So once it is done, I'll be giving you updates in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.